Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. My name is Muhammad Tariq. This is the subject of symmetry and magnetochemistry, and the topic of my presentation is paramagnetism and Curie's law, which is lecture 2.4. In this lecture we will learn magnetism, paramagnetism, origin of paramagnetism, properties of paramagnetic materials, and Curie's law. First of all, the definition of magnetism. Magnetism is a force that can attract or repel objects that have a magnetic material like iron inside them. Iron is a magnetic object. In simpler words, it is a property of certain substances which pull closer or repel other objects. Or we can say that magnetism is a force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other. Magnetism is caused by the motion of electric charges. These electric charges create a magnetic field. Every substance is made up of atoms. Atoms have electrons that carry electric charges. The example of magnetism is a bar magnet, which is attracted to a magnetic field and can attract or repel other magnets. Paramagnetism. Paramagnetism was discovered by British scientist Michael Faraday in 1845. Paramagnetism is a form of magnetism whereby some materials are weakly attracted by an externally applied magnetic field and form internal induced magnetic fields, which is in the direction of applied magnetic field. This is a simple definition of paramagnetism. Here, this is a simple diagram which illustrates the meaning of paramagnetism and how does it happen. In the absence of magnetic field, the magnetic lines of force are scattered, but when a magnetic field creates, in the presence of magnetic field, these lines of force are aligned towards the direction of magnetic field. Now we know about a paramagnet. The substances which, when placed in a magnetic field, allow the magnetic lines of force to pass through them. These substances are called as paramagnet or paramagnetic substances. The examples of paramagnetic substances are coordination complex myoglobin, iron oxide, oxygen, and the metallic elements titanium and aluminium. Origin of paramagnetism. What is the cause of paramagnetism? Why it happens? Paramagnetism is due to the presence of unpaired electrons in material. The most atoms with incompletely filled atomic orbitals are paramagnetic. Due to spin, unpaired electrons have magnetic dipole moment and they act like a tiny magnet. An external magnetic field causes electrons spin to align. This alignment is parallel to the field and causes a net attraction. This is called as paramagnetism. If all electrons in atom are paired, then the substance is diamagnetic. Now the properties of paramagnetic materials. First property is the substances when placed in a magnetic field get magnetized in direction parallel to magnetic field. As shown in figure, The direction of magnetization is from north to south pole, which is parallel to the magnetic field. The second property is these substances are weakly attracted by the field, so in non-uniform field they have tendency to move from strong to weak fields. The third property is when a paramagnetic liquid is placed in a U-tube, it ascends in the limb which is between the poles of magnet. As shown in the figure, there is a U-tube which is filled with a paramagnetic liquid. You can observe the left limb is between north and south poles, and the liquid in the left limb is higher than the other limb, which is the right limb. The fourth property is intensity of magnetization of paramagnetic materials is very small and positive and is directly proportional to magnetic field as shown by the graph. Magnetic dipole moment of paramagnetic materials is small and parallel to magnetic field. Sixth property is all the paramagnetic substances obey Curie's law. Seventh property is paramagnetism is exhibited by solids, liquids, and gases. Eighth property is if a paramagnetic liquid is placed in a watch glass placed on two pole pieces which are quite close to each other, then the liquid accumulates in the middle where field is strongest at poles. Now the second portion of my presentation is Curie's law. This law was given by Marie Curie. It states that in paramagnetic materials the intensity of magnetization is directly proportional to an applied magnetic field. But the case is not same when material is heated. When material is heated, this relation is reversed. When material is heated, the Curie's law relation is reversed. It means the magnetization becomes inversely proportional to temperature. Mathematically, Curie's law is M is equal to C cross B over T, where M is magnetization, B is magnetic field, which is measured in Tesla. T is absolute temperature, and capital C is material specific Curie constant. Class, this was whole about the paramagnetism and Curie's law. Hope you will understand this and it would be helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.